All right, today we're going to learn how to do bead netting. So we're going to go ahead and start out with these colors. So we are going to go ahead and go through this bead. We're going to go ahead and grab 2 beads with one of your middle colors and 2 more beads. We are going to go ahead, skip over this one, and we're going to go over here to this one, creating this effect. We're going to grab 2 more beads, grab 1 more of your middle beads, 2 more beads. We're going to skip that one again, and we're going to go right through this one. Now you see how it's already turning into that net-like finish. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and grab 2 more of your beads. We're going to grab this bead and another one of these beads. We are going to go ahead, take your needle, and now we're going to go down this bead. We are going to go ahead, take 2 more beads with that 1 bead, 2 more beads. We're going to skip over this one and we're going to go through this one. We're going to go ahead, grab 2 more beads with this bead, 2 more beads. We're skipping that one and going straight over to this one. Now we're going to go ahead and grab 2 more beads with this bead, with that bead. And now you're going to go ahead and go down through here and repeat that same process over and over again. All right, now you're going to go ahead, grab 2 of these, 1 of these, and 2 of these. You're going to skip that one and go straight into this one. Grab 2 of these, 1 of these, 2 of these. Again, skip that one, and now you're going in this one. Now you're going to go ahead, grab 2 of these, 1 of these, and 1 of these. Okay, and now you're going to go ahead and go through this one. Grab 2 of these, 1 of these, 2 of these, skip that one, and now you're going through this one. Two of these, oops, 2 of these, 1 of these, 2 of these. You're skipping that one, and now you're going in this one. You're going to grab 2 of these, 1 of these, and 1 of these. And you're going to go ahead and go up through this one. All right, and you're just completing this step over and over again, creating this net-like finish. So when you put it around as a necklace, it's going to hang like that. Now you can also do other things where you're adding just regular rows down below where you can drop it and make, larger dangles. But this is theoretically how you create that net-like finish. We'll go ahead and do 1 more row. So you go ahead and grab 2, 1, and 2. Now notice how you could do different colors for the tips or different colors all around. Again, you're skipping that one. You're going into this one, grabbing 2, 1, and 2, skipping that one and going into this one. Now it's always the very bottoms where you're grabbing 2, 1, and 1. Okay, and you're always skipping that first, or I'm sorry, yeah, skipping that one and going straight through the second bead. And here goes that net-like thing. Okay, I'll do one more. So again, 2, 1, 2. It's kind of fun when you get going. 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, and 1. All right, now let's just say you finished, right? Now it's just a matter of tucking your threads. So you can kind of go in this way, and then you can go a little bit more. You can also grab your thread like this, go around by 1, tie a knot, and then go back up. And see how that hides your knot? You don't even see where that knot's at. And then you can go back up here, go in there, go up here. You can create another knot if you want. Then you can go back down. And then you can just cut off your thread, and bam, nobody would ever know where your knot or stitches are at. And there you go, you have this beautiful netted necklace. What would you guys like to see next? To learn techniques like this and more, make sure you're registering for Beading University today.